Oh, wow, I'm actually back just in time. Okay, my webcam didn't work. Okay, and this one, no. This one, yes. All right, that looks good to me. Did I hear myself? No. Okay, welcome everybody. It's the Wednesday stream again. So I will work on some Project Euler stuff. And maybe switch to Javis later. Okay, so I just wanted to show you we managed to solve 50 problems yesterday, which is quite fascinating in my opinion. I can sometimes hear myself, but I hope it's fine for the stream. Because I have no idea where the sound is coming from. Do I have my own stream open? No, that's not the case. Okay, anyway, oh, we are near the poker hands, which I might implement again during the stream. Howdy, how is it going? Yeah, so I'll switch back over. Just wanted to show we finished 50 audio seems to lag behind the video. That might be the case because my audio is coming via my laptop, which is going through Discord to my desktop machine, which streams. My setup is a bit weird. So my audio lags behind. Yeah, it's crazy. Hope it's not too bad. I think I should be able to but if my audio lags behind, it might be a bit more problematic. I felt like it's have like a synchronization step, but I think I can just lag the audio more. I hope it's not too bad. I don't have enough space in my room. No, I just don't make errors. I think that's the better idea of it. I can do it on the bed, but that's harder, right? Plenty of room in my small flats. Yeah. Anyway, I will just not make arrows. Okay. No, move away. A little bit. Scorch. Okay, let's read the problem description. By replacing the first digit of the two-digit number. Oh, okay. What about 3? It turns out that 6 of the 9 possible values are all prime. By replacing the third and fourth digits with the same digit, this 5-digit number is the first example having 7 primes among the 10 generated numbers. Okay, yeah. yielding the family. Consequently, 56,003 being the first member of this family is the smallest prime with this property. Find the smallest prime which, by replacing part of the number, not necessarily adjacent digits with the same digit, is part of an 8 prime value family. By replacing part of a number, that probably means replacing 2 of them, right? As that is the most easy option. Okay. Why is this always taking so long? So will you stream again tomorrow? Skel Kingur, or however you pronounce your name. Okay, it finished. That's the plan. Good. 51. Solution. Oh yeah, hacking challenges sounds good. Prime digits. Okay, I might work with that. I think it's easier for you to read and easier for me actually. The other one is quite small. Prime digit replacements. I would just, okay, maybe I go for len is, what do I want? 8, right? 8 prime, no, wait. Find the small which is of an 8 prime. Okay, I want to have num primes. And probably want to have, wait. Oh, it doesn't have to be, wait. How many digits shall I replace? I'm a little bit confused. Part of the number. Can just replace one of them, right? Okay, and then, oh, I get you. Okay, because that doesn't make it easier. All right, okay, that's more complicated than expected. So what I want to do, and how can this be efficient? So one option, I guess, is to have a look, like creating all prime numbers up to whatever high value I choose. And then, or maybe it's also a parameter, but I don't care about that. And then check. Yeah, okay. I think there are 2 options. Either I have a list of all primes and kind of check whether whether they have double, like sometimes the same digits, and whether I can find more in that same family or whatever. I don't know how to do that. And the other option would be to probably have just iterating over normal numbers. Like in this case, I would iterate over 1-digit numbers, come to 3 and try to have this star on the left and right sides, I suppose, and check just whether they are prime. And here I would have the number 563, would add a star somewhere, then would add 2 stars somewhere, then 3 stars somewhere, and so on, and replace the star. If that makes sense. Oh my god. Is this still a 5% problem? No, it's a 15% problem. Okay, I feel better now. Okay, so you would start with primes. Okay. I think this might be valuable. Oh man, there's not enough space. Okay, this should probably not be a one-liner. Or like this. Yeah, you can still read it. Yeah, so all these problems should be possible to run in less than a minute, which is sometimes it's hard, but most often I have like a microsecond solution, like for the 5% problems. But for this time, for this one, I'm not too sure. Inverse digits, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this actually inverses digits and puts it. Okay. Okay, that's probably not what I want. I probably want digits of do I want to do that? Okay. One push-up. I have to think about it. So I want to have, okay, this seems to be better, right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. The last digit can never be part of the sequence, the family, or whatever they call it, family. Okay. So is that the, okay, maybe I do iterate over primes, then iterate over number of stars. And then also have like iterates over star position. But I'm not too sure whether that makes sense. And not too sure how to actually reasonably well do that. Yeah, I'm a bit unprepared. I'm always unprepared. Yeah, I can have that many wait, did you replace digits? Yeah, exactly. So for p in and then okay, I don't know, noun stars. Yeah, there are multiple positions of the replacement pattern, exactly. So length of n digits of the prime minus 1. Yeah. And then I have the permutations, but not really. It's not really permutations because I don't care about the order, right? Otherwise, there are digits, that function. Okay, that might make sense. Yeah, exactly. There are more options. And I'm currently not want to have just writing a test. Oh, that was the problem. Okay, and then it's in reversed order, but I need the length. Oh, this is so stupid. I hate that it is in reversed order. Okay, this will fail. Okay, so the idea was to basically get the digits of the prime, and in this way I just basically call it every time and have like a digit -1 or whatever for the stars. And I use this digits with the exclamation mark to don't create too much memory overhead. But let's maybe try to do it with memory overhead first. And let's check whether that makes sense at all. And then I probably want to have that version. Digits of P and add down 2 digits Oh, but I want to, no, that doesn't make any sense. I wanted to do it like randomly, but I want to try all options. Oh man. How can we do this? I think we need this. Combinatorics. And then kind of have a look what they got to help me out. This clearly does not work. You're currently also thinking about what it's called in mathematical language, what I actually want. Because this just orders them. Oh, what I could do. Okay, I could do permutations like for a 5-digit number. I could do this and then just, oh, this is what I want. Oh yeah, that's what yeah, I think that makes sense. Okay, how about having like prime lengths of 5, and we want to have like the 7 family currently. And I will iterate over, that makes sense. Probably not too much. But my idea was if n digits or n digits of p is not equal prime len, then just continue. Or probably break. And then, as you have mentioned, I can have this patterns of collect. Oh yeah, that's what you saw before, right? That makes sense. Um, is that what I want? I think it is. Isn't low prime len -1? Because I want to have for length 1, I would have this. 1, 2 prime len. Okay, then I don't need that. Good point. And then iterate over positions is basically okay. I want to have this. Yes, but I think the other one was nonsense. For pattern in patterns, okay, this is so weird, but okay, and then I want to add this down to the pattern. And none primes for that. Which is basically just pattern okay, now what was my idea? My idea was to have like the first two of them, then they are repeating. How can I remove that? It's clearly not put permutation. What about combination? Generate all combinations of n elements. Yeah, combinations. 1, 2, 5, and 2 of them. And collect. This is what I want. Exactly. Okay. And I just want to have basically want to have this as an array for one n in 1, 2 prime, then -1. And then have combinations. I think that makes sense. And then for okay, I'm still not removing the one where I don't change the last character. That will that need to be done kind of here. Maybe so the last one is actually the first in the reverse digits, which is like not there. which is probably doing what this does. Okay, and then I have of, oh, maybe I should just have that. To I, and then have max num primes is 0, and have number is inverse digits of C. And then I don't need the copy anymore, right? Oh, I have to copy it once, otherwise I destroy everything. Okay, maybe I should copy it here. Inverse digits, so, and also I have what do I, okay, no, and then have if number, so if is prime number, then have that, and have like return max num primes. I have no idea whether that makes sense. Let's call num primes of 13. Oh no, this is the digits. So this is like 13 reversed. And then I have the pattern. The pattern must be also reversed, I guess. So I want to replace the 1. Plus equal to 0 is very good. Oh man. Okay, 6. That makes sense. And then I have max num primes here as well. Current num primes or whatever. And if and return that, and also okay, that's why I need this if here, because I want to print out the number. Everything started with P. Oh yeah. But I return, so I have to save it. But because I'm going upwards anyway, I should. Oh, oh no, wait. If I want to return the smallest, yeah, I just need to. They're always getting bigger, right? I do a lot of extra double work. Um, so I have number of primes. Oh, I actually don't use that anyway. Um, I have prime length of 5, which is this one. Oh, because I have this function which is called num_primes. And everything got overwritten, I guess. Oh, I need to have this pattern here. Line 33. Yeah, okay, I think I fixed that one. Okay. Oh, maybe I also want to have. Yeah, it makes everything so complicated when it's reversed. But this is clearly not working. So it should replace the second digit from the end. And then it should have length 6. Is that correct? So first of all, that is prime. That is not prime. That is not prime. So we have 1, 2, 3 primes and not 6. Okay, I might want to have. Oh, I do a lot of double work. But first, let's check why this is not working. Oh, the last one is 6, right? Okay, that makes sense. So I have is prime 0, 1, 7, 7. 3 already. 4. Okay, maybe not. Oh, 5 is the last one actually. Oh man. So this is prime. This is prime. 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Okay, perfect. That worked. Oh man. But it didn't find this one. It should have 7. So num primes of 3, 0, 0, 6, 5 with pattern 2 and 3 gives us 6. Oh, damn it. Ah, stupid me. Okay, this is weird. Oh, I guess. No. Let's do this again. So the idea is that 1, 8, 0, 4, 9 with the pattern 2, 3, 5. Oh, what happened here? 1, 8, 0, 4, 9. 1, 8, 0, 4, 9. Okay. Two, 3, 5. Because I'm replacing the 5 and then, because it's reversed, it does actually something else than the one I expected it to be. Okay. Not equal to length of digits, then continue. Yes! Ah! Wow. Okay, let's do I do some stupid work? No. It's not super fast, I can say that. Oh, I should just call it this way. Oh, but we have length 8. That's nice. Let's call it again current length 8. Okay, it's just faster than a minute, right? So 120,383. No. 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 No, 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 no. Damn it. No, no push-ups. Ah, where's my push-up counter? Wait. Um, uh, that might be a little bit big. Are you happy with that? No, you want to see push-ups. Okay, let's figure out where we failed first. So there are two options. Either, okay, there are three options, but one of them is not true. So not true is Project Euler is wrong, and we are right. The next option is it's correct, but it's just not the first one. And the other one is this is actually does not produce 8 primes. So I guess because it's quite unlikely that we have, or maybe we can't, we just are not allowed to change the first digit, but it was allowed here. So it should be fine, right? Okay, so what did I want to do? Num primes. Um, 2, 4, 6, 2. So what do we change? We change this digit, and this digit. 1, 2, 1. Okay, and the 0 is not 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3. I don't get it. It seems correct to me. Oh. Ah. Okay. Now the points. The point being 1, 2, 0. Oh, that's also true. Good point. Why is that the case? Wait, what? Oh, because I changed the 0. So maybe this is the actual correct number, right? Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Hmm. The other point is, I was thinking about... Oh, no. I think that makes sense. The other... I will enter it and hope it's correct. Yeah, it seems to be correct because every time it is correct, it's evaluating very long. And if it's not correct, it says, "You're wrong." Yeah, I don't know why. Is it like just... Yeah, I don't know why they're doing it. Are they running like special tests that maybe they don't want that you build a program that just enters enters numbers? But it's really fast to say no. I don't know why. Okay, anyway, we have the solution. Just... Okay, maybe... Oh, okay. Do you think that is that slow? Oh, but yeah, maybe it's correct. I thought they're just doing it kind of willingly for whatever reason. But it... And then... Wow. Why do I print so many numbers? Okay, that fixed it. I don't return the number and whatever, but we have a solution. That's true. They are probably mathematicians. I don't know actually whether they are still... I think it's like so old, they just implemented it once or let it implement, and now they're just adding problems to it, and they don't care. Probably using a very old version of whatever programming language they're using, and a database from that age. So, all right, see you. Thanks for joining. Oh, hey Jacob. First time that I needed an hour for the first problem on the stream, I think. But we finished it. It's slow, but we finished it. And I will just ignore it and go to the next one. And yeah, I might want to switch over to Javis later. So if you want to stream as well. Oh, you have a meeting later. Okay. All right. I just finished one problem, so I have 51 now, and do 52. Yeah. So maybe you can answer my question on Slack if you have time. Whether I should help out with documentation stuff. Or yeah, how can I help out with Javas basically? And I still need to do the push-up, but he left. Oh, be right back. The meeting cannot be that long. Um, okay. Yeah, just tell me what I might be able to help you with, Jacob. Okay. Permuted multiples. It can be seen that the number 125874 and its double contain exactly the same digits, but in different order. Find the smallest positive integer such that wait. What is it? Hence, yeah, 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. I don't know whether it's the smallest, but I assume. That's too funny. Oh man. I hope somebody of you is in the chat and saw it. That's so interesting. Maybe that's funny if you just know the answer without coding anything. That was too hilarious. There are exactly 10 ways of selecting 3 from 5 in combinatorics. Oh yeah, that's what we needed before, right? That's why it's called, I don't know, combinations. That's what I wanted to say. But anyway, in combinatorics, we used the notation 5/3, or 5/3 is, I think, what the English-speaking people say. Uh, in general, where R is smaller than N. Yeah, it's not until N23 that a value exceeds 1 million. Okay. How many not necessarily distinct values for 1 to N 1N to 100 are greater than 1 million? Okay. I just want to shortly check. How can I go back to... How does this website work? I wanted to see the difficulty. Oh, it's 5%, and this one is 5%. Okay. So there has to be some kind of early break, but yeah, I'm considering using Pascal's triangle for it. Hmm. Oh. And then I have inclusion. So when I have 23 max rows, and then have answer of 23. Damn it. Okay. Or is this, wait, maybe it's not the 24th. 11511406. Okay, perfect. By the way, it's nice that it's like added so nicely. I haven't seen it for, but it's nice for Pascal's triangle. Okay, so I need 101, which is fast, and then not necessarily distinct values are greater than 1 million. So I have Pascal's triangle, max rows is 101, and have basically sum of how do I do that? Count is what I want, right? Um, by the way, can you do this? I know it's 100,000. Okay. Damn it! Ah, let me fix. How can I? How can I fix this? Okay, yeah. Ah. 2 push-ups to go. Okay. Python is not the language of the gods. I'm sorry to disappoint you. By the way, welcome to the stream. Why do you love Python so much? Didn't want to be rude. You use it at work? But there are a lot of people who use it and at work but don't like it and like something else and use it as a hobby. I think languages that are used as a hobby are better than the ones that are used at work, right? Because work is sometimes forced. That is a strong statement you have there. And I don't think I agree at all. It's a weird thing to think about, I guess. I shouldn't think too long about it, but I would say he would just have like his own programming language. Well, that might be a boring answer. Why is this wrong? What what have I done wrong? Oh, is it? No. Okay. Can someone tell me in the chat what did I do wrong? '96 and '94. Let me check. I'm not there yet, but I want to do all up to 100. Oh, I know a solution for this one probably, because I programmed a constraint solver which just solves them like instantaneously. 96 and 94. You mean the most difficult for yourself, or the one with the highest difficulty rating? I think it only goes up to 35 in the first. I think my how can I easily check mine? They are all 5%. So I solved 20. Yeah, I solved 20%. And that wasn't. It didn't take too long actually. I don't like the difficulty rating. Hey Jacob, I solved a very funny one, which is this one. I looked at it and I just entered the answer without programming anything. That was the most funny one, because this is my that's my function for it. Because it just happened that I knew the answer for it. But I'm currently struggling with this 53. No, I didn't guess. Or like, I kind of guessed. I didn't know that it's the smallest per se. But, you know, if you have one divided by 7, you have this repeating 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, and then so on. And if you have 2 sevens, you have the same digits, so the same 6 digits, just in a different order. And they asked for exactly times 6. That also gave a hint, I guess. But yeah, back to this one. I have really no clue why this is wrong. So P of 24 and 10. Why is this not 10? Is this also like 11? No. What did I just do wrong? This is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What? Am I stupid? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Why is this the 12th one? Oh, because choose Y. Okay, okay, that makes sense. This is actually nothing. This is choose 0. This is okay. Anyway, did I read the question wrong? Oh yeah, it increased. Because of this problem. Maybe I will. So my webcam is blocking my view. So 5 choose 3 is 10. Yes. Which is also what I did, I think. It's not until n23 that a value exceeds 1 billion. Yes. How many not necessarily distinct values of n choose r for 1 to 100 are greater than 1 million, including 100? Yes. So why is my solution wrong? I really don't get it. So this one gives me basically 23 over 10. This is like +1 and this +2 because the ordering there. That's why I go to max rows 101. So the last row. Okay, let's have a look at the last row. I could also use binomial, yes. But I didn't implement this like now. I did it before. So, oh, I see the problem. Okay. I see the problem. Okay. Okay. To answer your question about documentation stuff for Javis, you can also just write me a Slack message. It's a pain to write it in Twitch. So I was thinking that maybe for that project tutorial, I could convert it to a tutorial 2, which goes over how to create your own function in Javis. I could also use the appear and disappear function from the sub actions to demo those possibilities. I'm not keen on adding more functionality right now. We ever get yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, maybe just use it as tutorial number 2, and then just leave the project tutorial there for another version. Or we can also write just documentation after we release the version, just that we have some documentation when we release it. But documentation, we can also add documentation afterwards anyway. Oh yeah, and we have the 3-day period. So when we register the project, sorry to the chat, discussing a new project. This one to do some animations. And Jacob, aka the Setup Prince, is working with me on it. Okay, so yeah, we have this 3-day period of waiting that nobody has something against our package. And in that time, we can still, we are still able to write documentation. We just are not, oh, I don't know. Oh, come on. My Pascal's triangle function is just much nicer. Is that actually, I know me? Oh, it's actually in base. Okay. Function counting. I hope I spelled that correctly. Okay. Actually, use can also be faster by changing k and then multiply by 2, right? Could also do that here. But okay, let's check first that I didn't mess anything up. Okay. What? Why is this not auto-completing? Okay, yeah. It's doing too much work, but it's easy to read. And I just want to know whether mine is significantly faster or slower or whatever. Okay. It's kind of significantly faster, I would say. 10 times faster. That's, I don't know what significantly means here, but so yeah, anyway, nice job. That's what I should say. Nice job. And you also, oh yeah, that's true. So like, do I have to go to I or I minus 1. Probably go to I, right? Yeah, that makes sense. And then, oh, but because it's not directly symmetric. I'm not sure whether it's that easy actually. Mm. But yeah, anyway. What did I want to say? I don't know. Oh, this is a long one. It's and I solved it already, but not on stream. It was actually my first Project Euler problem I ever solved. Shall I do it again? I actually wanted, no, I wanted to do it again on stream. Not now. No. So everyone who is in the chat, tell me whether you want to see poker hands, whether you want to see Lycral numbers, whatever that is, or whether you want me to see working on Javis. 3, 2, 1, give your vote. Lycral, okay. Any other one here to vote? And then Javis. All right. That seems fair. Why 10 push-ups? I'm at 2. Come on. Before or less 10? You're crazy. Just leave my stream. I don't want you here anymore, Jacob. Do whatever. Do work on the documentation. Okay, so 55. If we take 47 reverse and add, which is palindromic. Oh, I like those numbers. They make me happy. Not all numbers produce palindromes. For example, oh, that's interesting. My mind is a bit blown. Although no one has proved it yet, it is thought that some numbers like 196 never produce a palindrome. A number that never forms a palindrome through the reverse and add process called a like. What did you just do in Julia 1.5 that it's so fast? Due to the theoretical nature of these numbers, and for the purpose of this problem, we shall assume that the number is Lycral until proven otherwise. Okay, it seems strange, but okay. It makes sense for this problem, I guess. In addition, you are given that for every number oh, you shall assume that a number is okay, yeah. In addition, you are given that for every number below 10,000, it will either become a palindrome in less than 50 iterations, or no one with all the computing power has managed so far to map it into a palindrome. In fact, 10,000, it's so much text this time. 10,677 is the first number to be shown to require over 50 iterations before producing a palindrome. That is such a nice palindrome number. Maybe it's my favorite palindrome number from now on. I just need to practice pronouncing it. Surprisingly, they are palindrome numbers that are themselves Lycral numbers. That's so nice. Wording was modified slightly on the 24th April 2007. That's how old it is. No, and it's much older than that. Okay. How many Lycral numbers are there below 10,000? Okay. So we have function is Lycral. By the way, correct me if I don't spell it correctly, and then text me how to pronounce it. Pronounce it correctly, not spell. And I can't read it because you can't tell it to me. I call it Lycral. Num. So, oh, and yeah, we want to have is palindrome number in naive. Oh my goodness, I don't know which one is the fastest. This seems to be kind of fast, I guess. Okay, go back. So then we have reverse. Oh, I think the other one was if I have the digits anyway. Okay, I don't want to work with this digit stuff anymore. It's so annoying. How to reverse a number. Finish the review on your PR for subactions. All right, I will have a look after this. Is palindrome. Wait, what? I'm so confused right now. Reverse. I want to have reverse. Function reverse number. Oh, you approved it. Yes. How do I reverse a number? In the best. Okay, I do the slow version of having okay, perfect. See you later. I don't know what I will work on Javis then, actually, but I will have a look. Started with this one, right? So I want to have reverse digits, reverse num. And I don't want to call it digits. Because I need to write this. Okay. I also can use the same for check whether it's a palindrome. But okay. Anyway. So I want to have iteration, which is 1, maybe it's 0, 3 steps. So this would be 1 step. Yeah, okay. Iteration is 0, and then while is smaller than 50, over 50, yeah, okay, smaller than 50. So I have num plus basically, yeah, that should work. Reverse num. And if is palindrome num, then return false, else return true. So is likeral 47? No. 196. Okay. Goodness. I see I want to have big int everywhere. Number. I hope digits works for big ints, but I assume that it does. And probably have this. Oh no, I want to have big. I think that's the correct. Okay, that works fine. And also 10, 6, 7, 7 is also true. Okay. So 499. Perfect. And then this time I don't care about speed. I actually want to see them because I like real numbers. If is likeral, I then push. Hi Val. Wow, that's quite late for you, isn't it? Welcome to the stream. Return likeral numbers. Okay, I just want to 249. I don't want to do push-ups. Do I have to do push-ups? Oh, looks good. Yes! No more push-ups. Ah, I'm proud of myself. Only 2 push-ups. All right. So I have solved 55 problems. Do I get anything for that? Probably not. Actually solved a bit more. What is there? Levels 75 is the next one. Okay. How many did you solve, Eva? Okay. I have to take off this microphone. 124. That's quite nice. Only one more for level 5. Okay. Yeah, I will take out the microphone and do my push-ups and have like the have to reset my camera, I think. Give me a bit time. I think that's good enough. I hope you can see me. Ah. You saw too much stuff of my flat that I don't want to share online. Okay, the first thing I need to do is reset that. Okay. All right. I wanted to switch to Javis. And no, I still don't have this transpose matrix stuff. It will not make it into version 1.0. I knew it. Okay. So I will just read the comments now. So the pull request, I will show you the pull request. So the pull request is the following. You should be able to just draw whatever you want, and with the sub action, you can make it appear and disappear, like fading in. So in this case, actually the line width is changed, and in this case, the opacity is changed. So this one goes to half opacity black, and this one to full opacity red. So the pull request is approved, but I'm not totally happy with it yet. Um, for the doc strings and examples. Yeah. Like the alternative syntax. But my only question is, why do you suggest the letter syntax using a subaction? What benefit do you see? As well as open an issue on the struct problem that you described. Which struct problem? Jacob, are you still there? So I think good for what did I want to say? Yeah, it's good to provide the extra. But how about I hate that I can't tap inside codes in GitHub. So action 1 to 70 frames. So that's actually something that I might do now to make that work. But let me also check. Did something happen here? No, he didn't do anything. Okay, that's probably why I didn't get a notification. Okay, let me check. Oh, I should open the issue. But we might want to support it in version 0.2. By the way, for everybody new in the chat or new to Javis and didn't check out my previous couple of streams on Javis, please ask questions and I can, or tell me that you are there, and then can explain it again. Actually, need to get back to it. Okay, and then let's have a list of issues. Do I have the issue? Yeah. This should be also there, maybe. Animate transposing a matrix. I will not give that a milestone. I'm sorry. No, I have like no idea how to do it. That's the main problem. And this one is partially implemented. Okay. Let's go back to this. This is easy. Okay, then I just finish this part, I guess. Okay, let me set this up. Javis.jl. Picture 44. Okay, circle and square. Yeah, I think I can work with that. Be like this. Okay. Please tell me if this is distracting for you. It might be distracting for me at some point. So one option would be, so I would like to support the following. Maybe make this 100 frames and then have this 26 to 75 maybe, and have like translation. And it should move to point. What is actually the point? The origin to 100 and down, whatever. And then it should disappear. Okay, so this will not work. But let's make it work. Where is it? Nobody saw that. No more push-ups. Push-ups is just for failure in Project Euler and test error. Okay, are you fine with that? I think that makes sense. Circle and square. Yes, the n-type function. Why is it so hot? And it's already 7 p.m. It's still hot. Okay, so the problem is the following. We have a sub-action which is defined here, and it takes a function. Yeah. But it also... Okay, this might get... Oh no, we can give it transition maybe, but I'm not too sure how I want to do this. Okay, so and I need to restart anyway. Okay, so what we might want to do is, yeah, what do we actually want to do? We want to have this. Okay, let me check the JavaScript. So what we currently do is we have this sub-action function called here, and I think we might want to do that instead in perform action, which makes more sense to me because it's actually part of the action, and then it is in the correct layer. And now I have to think, and I only think because I don't want to. I don't. I don't want to make another push-up. But okay, I think this works. Let's see whether that works. All right, see ya, Eval. Thanks for joining. And I will definitely tell you do the matrix transpose one. And maybe you're interested to help us out with that one. Okay, unit test pass, SVJ test pass. Only one more animations. It's taking too long. Oh, okay. Good. So here, Okay, I might want to have actually, okay, I think I will change it the following way. I have the subaction, which is an action type as well, and I have a function just like this, and then similar to action, I also have transitions and internal transitions. And whenever I create a subaction to actually have, I don't have any function for subaction. Okay. So subaction takes in frames of function and just creates action, oh, subaction, sorry, with frames, function, and nothing. And the other option is to have a transition, and then it has some kind of function which I don't care about, and have transitions. How do I work with them? Do I create, okay, where do I create internal transition? Oh, here. Okay. Okay, that seems reasonable to me. Then I only have transition. And here, what? Action type. And I might want to call it abstract action, actually. Because that is standards in Julian. Okay. Updated the struct. So Let's update it, revise, or updated the REPL. Oh. Open the window. I think it's already cold outside than it's inside. And a little bit of wind. All right. Oh, that's a good point. Actually, I might want to have this. No, I changed. No, I didn't change the struct. Okay, everything is good. Oh yeah, by the way, for everyone, okay, for everyone who is interested in my constraint solver, I published a new post first to Patreon, but I will publish it in 2 days to everyone else about my refactoring process. If you're interested in that. Um, Oh, yeah. I think that's actually. I was just wondering, what do I do if I don't want to have an action, a function? I can just call the function anyway because it's nothing. Yeah. Wait. This is. Man, my eyes are too bad. This is. Is this fading in and out? Oh no. Can I have this like in no loop? So. Oh yeah. Square. Some weird shit is going on there. It should disappear. This is also a point, right? I think one could argue, and probably I would, that when calling disappear, that afterwards it's not there anymore. But I don't know how to implement that. I just fix it by doing this now. Probably want to do that. But it's special for disappear. So normally everything appears, basically, but in disappear it decreases the opacity. But when I don't call the function anymore, the default is again appearing. Which, yeah, I will open an issue for that, or I will ask Jacob what he thinks. I mean, somehow it's odd, but somehow, yeah. And I don't know how the user would fix it. We would have like a hmm. Well, probably just don't have the action for that long, right? Because when it's disappeared, you don't see it. Okay, I don't know. If it might need to change some stuff there, but okay. Anyway, no error, so that we can do change to here. And I actually okay, I need to do that. Okay. I need to do that after sub actions, but I think I want to do sub actions after this. I don't know whether that makes sense or that works. Okay. Kind of works, right? Okay. I just wait. Oh, but the translation doesn't. It's the same problem again. Hmm. Okay. One option is to have t is the minimum of one and T here. And then seems it definitely makes sense for transition. Else if relative frame bigger than last of action frames. I might want to have this. Yeah, I think that's more what I want. Okay. And now let's try out some more fancy stuff. Because now I want to translate it just down by hundreds. No, let's do down by, let's do by 20. So it should be at the origin. Let's see how that works. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. I might want to have, I don't want to have this anymore. And have like a longer one. And maybe do this to 75. Do this from 126 to 127. No, this from, sorry, this from 76 to 100, and this from 101. Something weird is going on there, but okay. Minus 120, minus 40, and 20, then it should be at the origin again. Damn, does this disappear thing work? Oh, this should. Ah. Yeah, that looks better. And I think I want to have full opacity, but maybe dark blue. I hope that's the color. Damn. I thought it's using the standard color. Okay. so nice. I like that. Okay, let's check what we changed. Get rid of that. And have some more of all that. Okay, I will shortly check whether my smartphone is all right, whether it's still charged. I have to switch off the camera for that. Yep, looks good to me. It's still charging. Still not too hot. Looks all right. Okay, so let me add some. Maybe it's not like the greatest of ideas to do it in this view. I actually wanted. No, yeah, now I closed. Okay. To actually go. Oh, I can see what I changed here as well, right? Also relatively nicely. Okay. Oh, and let me have like an example for it. I want to provide a full example of it. Maybe just so that is that one. It's already too long, but I don't care. 100 lines, 100 columns, fine. 92, nobody cares. Which means the opacity is changed, is increased. from 0. A list of frame a function show for which the function show the frames. Frame and function. Uh, okay. Now I also have this one open. I thought I have the spell checker. Damn it. Why is this not working? Hmm. Okay, this is similar to defining transition inside action. By the way, I sometimes lose my display, so maybe the connection to the display is not perfect, but it seems that you are not affected. So that's just why I say "oh" sometimes. In the following example, a circle maybe circle and the following a circle is created in during the then moves to change. Okay, abstract action. Abstract action. I don't want to comment on that. I normally only like this notation in comments, but there I can't write them, which is pretty annoying. Okay, and I might want to I think for this, yeah, I might do another refactoring stuff, refactoring pull request or something like that. Just because whenever I write it seems like it screams like multiple dispatch can be used there instead of writing it this way. Okay, anyway, I think we documented everything that needs documentation. So let's just mm, 16 to 20, 30, whatever, trans 45 probably. Translation. One, two, 100 to the right and 50 down. And then we have 25, 47 maybe. 48. This is very long, very short. This should be like this. And then have 45. Seems good. And this should be like 7. Okay, maybe not 40. I don't know. Whatever. It doesn't matter. It's not important anyway. And this 125 seems to be okay. And definitely that will fail otherwise. So that makes sense, I guess. Okay. Any news on Slack? No. Any news on Javis? Like on GitHub? No. Okay. Didn't miss any. That's good. Yeah, I think I will just finish this one, like hopefully the test pass. Then I will push it, write some text such that Jacob, the reviewer, knows what I did and why I did it, and have like maybe the question on disappear and stuff. I think makes sense. And when he approves it, I merge it and okay. Missing separator. Oh, I hate this. Can I just run this? That should be fast. Okay. So it stays there. Wait, oh, I moved the... Oh, okay. I thought I moved the circle, but I moved the square. And there it's like fading out. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Oh yeah, I moved, translate this, the square. Okay. Makes sense. Okay. Where am I? This is where I have to. Okay, and now I want to have this one. Yes. Yes, and I can remove a lot of stuff from there. And now this is not work in progress anymore. How can I? Now ready for review. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure whether anyone is still watching. Haven't seen something in the chat for quite a while. So let me just thank everybody for streaming and all the streamers who thank everybody for watching the stream. Sorry. And also thanks to everyone who watched the stream and is not watching anymore. For those of you who don't know me, I normally blog. I can't. I should put it on the. Just put it here, like my blog. You can't see my mouse pointer anyway, but put it over my head. Oh, actually, just do it now. Uh, Is it always? Wow, that's nice. Can have it like this. It's probably not that readable. No, how do I flip it? Okay. It's weird that it's not directly um, on the PDF in the first place, but okay. Yeah, that's where I blog normally. Ah, come on. Why do I have to kick people again? Okay, ignore the chat, please. Yeah, so the 4 people listed here are the ones who pay more than $4 per month to support me. You can support me with just $1 per month, or euro, or pounds, and maybe some others. I think there's others three. And you get all my blog posts 2 days earlier than everybody else for just $1, and for more than $4, you get your name listed here. So thanks for watching, and a special thanks for the supporters, and also for the intro music by one of my friends who doesn't want to get named. All right, see everybody in the next stream, maybe tomorrow.